back to Cooking with Mimi, and today we are going to make Manicottis. So here I have a box of 14, and I'm going to start showing you my ingredients. So like I said, a box of Manicottis, 14 pieces. I have 2 cups of ricotta cheese. I have 2 handfuls of spinach, roughly chopped, 2 eggs. I have 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, half a cup of shredded Parmesan, and a 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella for the topping, a teaspoon of parsley flakes, a teaspoon of salt, and we're going to use a teaspoon of black pepper. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, and another ingredient you're going to need is going to be a meat sauce. Now, you can use a jar of meat sauce, or you can use your own meat sauce, homemade meat sauce. I have my homemade meat sauce over here. I'm also going to leave a video of my homemade meat sauce down in the link below. So, yeah, it's totally optional. Obviously, a jar of meat sauce is easier, but I prefer to use homemade meat sauce. So here I have my salted water boiling, and I'm going to add in my shells. And you're going to want to cook this for about 7 minutes till it's well done, or al dente. And while that's cooking, you can work on making your filling. Okay. So that's in there, let that do its thing, and let's start on our filling. Alright guys, so first and foremost, I'm going to add my eggs. I'm gonna give it a quick beat. Then add that in there. Next, your spinach. Make sure everybody gets in there. Next, salt, parsley flakes, and add my pepper. About a teaspoon of black pepper. My shredded mozzarella, and a 1/4 cup of my shredded parsley. I'm sorry, 1/4 cup of my shredded Parmesan. And then I'm going to give this a nice mix. And guys, this is very easy to put together. And it's also a fun way of getting the kids involved. And guys, if you guys don't like spinach or you don't want to use spinach, you can use more ricotta cheese and use fresh chopped parsley. But you can do it this way. This is the way I would prefer to make it. Now that this is mixed, I'm going to get my filling in a piping bag, so it's ready to fill the shells. And if you guys don't have a piping bag, you can use a Ziploc bag as well. It'll work just as fine, or you can use a spoon. So here I have my piping bag over a measuring cup, just because it's easier. And I'm just gonna fill up my piping bag with my mixture. Now that I have my piping bag filled, my pasta is almost done. Once your pasta is finished, you're going to want to shock it with cold water and lay it on a plate or a tray, and then fill them. So, yeah. Alright guys, so after you finish shocking your manicottis, you're going to want to take the sauce of your choice. Here I'm using my homemade meat sauce, but you can use a jar of meat sauce as well. And you want a 9x13 greased pan and layer some sauce on the bottom. The layer of sauce on the bottom. Alright, now I am going to start filling my shells with my filling. So I'm going to grab a shell. Put that here. Fit one side. It's kind of hard. Oh no, okay. And then fill the other side. Then you're going to lay it down like so. Then you want to keep going till you fill all your shells. Alright guys, so if you guys want, before you start the filling process, you can preheat your oven for 350 degrees. Now that all my shells are filled, I am going to add a layer of sauce on top, like so. You guys, this does not have to be the prettiest thing in the world. I'm going to sprinkle my mozzarella cheese on top. Perfect. Now I'm going to put this in the oven for about 25 to 35 minutes. You can keep an eye out, but until it's nice and bubbly. And of course you want the filling to cook thoroughly. Ooh-wee! Guys, look at that. Like, this is it fresh out the oven. It smells so good. I really can't wait to dig in. Look at that. Alright guys, so here is the final product. I sprinkled a little bit of cheddar Parmesan cheese on top and added a sprig of parsley for garnish, and I can't wait to dig in. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel, and again, I'm going to leave the link of the meat sauce down below, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and be safe out there.